Hey digital besties, half of the year is already done, and so I just want to get a grip on reality and stay intentional to the goals that I had set for the next 6 months. And quite literally, procrastination has been whooping my ass, but that's all right. We are going to get a hold of the things that we set to do from January 2025, and we are still going to achieve them in the best way we can for the next 6 months. We are definitely going to go on a journey with that because, girl, life really passes you by when you're procrastinating. So, what's beautiful about today is that today's Sunday, reset day of the week, and I thought that was just really beautiful. And so, I am going to just do a couple things that I had planned for today. I have to put my desk chair together. The desk chair that I currently have was on her last leg. Like, I would sit in it. I have to have my chair raised to the max height, and I would just notice, like, as the day was going by, the chair would like lower itself. I don't know. I think the hydraulic is broke, and I very much was not going to take the time to try to like fix it. So I went ahead and brought another one. She's very much cute. I am literally obsessed with how cute it is. Can't wait to you guys see how it looks. Last couple weeks, I've just been really like planning out how I want my desk to look and just kind of like filling out a aesthetic that I really am going for, and that just feels like me. That will make working from home a little bit more well, working in general is just like but it'll make it a little bit more satisfying, I guess. Like, I fight back and forth with being a maximalist with being a minimalist, but I feel like I can kind of incorporate both. I don't know if what I'm trying to convey makes any sense, but I definitely have been going back and forth with a few ideas that I found on Pinterest. Pinterest has been that girly for me. I'm starting to really like Pinterest a whole lot. I've been using her for a while. I also need to just tidy up my desk a bit. I have a couple things that I want to unbox, and so I'm gonna get into that while we still have some daylight and we'll be able to utilize the natural light. So if we're going to do an honest review, I would give the salon I want to say 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 because I really did not like the fact that they like kept the doors open and so like bugs were coming in. But other than that, the overall aesthetic of the salon is so freaking cute. Just how they have the chairs set up. They don't have like those robotic chairs, massage chairs, and so it was just more so just kind of like pillows and just really more so, at least for me, comfortable, because I hardly ever use the massage chairs. They literally like beat your back up while you're getting your nail salon. I feel like they're kind of counterproductive to the fact like if you're getting your nails done and like you're moving, or it's like, you know, massaging your back or whatever it does. Other than that, that's the only complaint I have. Like, everything was perfect. I saw Jenny. She was such a doll. She was very honest about what she was able to do and not do, which I absolutely love. The total for everything, I got designs on all of my fingers, and I got a French tip to match the color on my nails on my toes, and total came up to $155, and I gave a $20 tip. So other than that, I definitely will be back. She did not cut me. It was some moments where it was like, I don't know, maybe it's because she was going in with like the little cuticle nipper things, but I didn't get cut whatsoever. Love that. And so that will be the reason why this will probably be my nail salon home moving forward. So it is definitely like crunch time. My husband's going to be very irritated if I'm not back home by 4 p.m. It's 2. I still need to find something to wear. And the reason why it took so long in the salon also, I had longer nails at first, and they're now short. One of them broke, and she ended up like doing the rest because I was going for like an almond shape, and she shaped them, and then like last minute I was like, you know what, it was really just bothering me how one nail was not matching the others. Like, I can never do it. Like, if a nail breaks, they all just gonna have to come off, and we're just gonna start the process over. But other than that, that is the reason why it took long. But yeah, so going to head to Princess Polly, see what I can find. Let's start and get on our way there.